Hello, dear kids. Welcome to the Real Heather Cartoon for Kids. Today we are going on another exciting story. So let's start. Before starting our video, do like, share, and subscribe the Real Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's start the video. Before sparkling ocean, there lived two fish who were best friends. One was Alan, a curious little fish with the shiny silver scales, and the other was Rocco, a brave fish with the orange fins. Alan and Rocco loved exploring the coral reefs, playing tag and discover new underwater places. Alan laughing, "Tag, you are it, Rocco." Rocco chasing Alan, "Oh no, you won't get this way. I'm gonna chase ya." They were playing near a deep, mysterious part of the ocean. The water suddenly grew darker. A shadow loomed above them, and the fish felt a strange chill. Rocco nervously, "Alan, what do you think? We should go back to this place. Feels like different." Alan, brave but nervous, "I don't know, Rocco, but we have always stuck together. Maybe we can explore just a little more. Come on." They ventured further. They suddenly found themselves trapped in a large tangled net. Alan got caught by the ropes, and Rocco couldn't help him alone. Alan struggling, "Oh no, Rocco, I can't get free." Rocco worried, "I won't leave you, Alan. I will find a way to help you. Don't worry." For a moment and then spotted a shark rock lying nearby. He had an idea. He quick swam towards it. Rocco says, "Hold on, Alan. I will get you out of this." Rocco uses the sharp rock cut through the net, freeing Alan. Alan was grateful. "Rocco, you saved me. Thank you so much." Rocco smiling, "We are friends, Alan. We never leave each other behind." Fishes swim back to their reef, now in the clear, bright water. After a long struggle, Alan and Rocco finally made it back to the safety of their reefs. They learned important lessons that day. Alan says, "I was scared when I got caught in the net, but you never gave up on me, Rocco. And I knew that with teamwork we could overcome anything. Together we are stronger. So that's why we are safe and sound came back to our own reefs." At the reef, Alan and Rocco swim together, laughing and playing in the ocean again. From that day on, Alan and Rocco knew that no matter what challenge they face, they would always face them together, and they played under the water, golden sunlight. They knew that their friendship was the greatest treasure of all. Alan says, "Ha! You attack it!" Rocco, "Not for long, Alan. I'm gonna win this again." So dear fellas, moral of the story is, true friends always stick together. Even in the toughest time, teamwork and bravery can overcome any challenge. I hope you enjoy and learn something in this video. This is it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Do like, share and subscribe the Real Heather Cartoon for Kids. I will meet you in the next exciting story. Until goodbye and take care.